On a sunny day, Leo, the family cat, lounged on a warm garden bench. The heat was intense, and he spent the afternoon dozing and daydreaming. His family also took refuge in the shady garden, flipping through magazines under a parasol. Suddenly, a loud bang interrupted the lazy afternoon. What was that? His family murmured. Leo perked up, his curiosity piqued. He leapt from the bench and peeked through a hole in the hedge. The noise had come from the neighbor's yard. Struggling to push his head further through the prickly branches, Leo finally gave up and backed away. Determined to uncover the source of the commotion, Leo padded to the fence. What he saw left him wide-eyed. The neighbor's once dull garden had transformed into a colorful wonderland. Balloons floated in the air, and vibrant pennants hung from the gazebo. Amidst the lively scene, children dashed about joyfully. From behind a rose bush, Leo watched as a little girl held a large balloon. "Time to pop it!" she cried, and with a loud bang, colorful confetti exploded into the air. The children cheered, and Leo's fur stood on end, partly from the noise, partly from excitement. It was then Leo realized the occasion. The neighbor's daughter, Emily, was celebrating her 5th birthday. As the family sang and served cake, Leo thought, "Why haven't I ever had a birthday party?" Determined to change that, Leo resolved to throw himself a grand celebration. But there was one problem. He didn't know his birthday. After some thought, he decided to pick his own date. "This Saturday," he declared, marking the calendar with a red X and a paw print. The next day, once his humans left for work, Leo sprang into action. He rummaged through the cellar and found decorations, balloons, garlands, and confetti. He spread everything across the living room floor, planning each detail of his party. Leo crafted colorful invitations but ended up with glue on his paws. After a lengthy cleanup, he decided to skip the invitations. Over the next few days, he secretly decorated and prepared. By Friday, everything was ready, except for the cake. In the kitchen, Leo gathered ingredients: flour, milk, eggs, and sugar. Then he spotted a tin of tuna. "Perfect," he thought, creating a tuna-flavored cake. After hours of hard work, the cake was done, and Leo collapsed on the windowsill, dreaming of his party. That night, while his family slept, Leo snuck into the garden. Despite the eerie darkness and rustling sounds, he decorated the apple tree with garlands and balloons. The table was set with a yellow cloth and a vase of fresh flowers. Finally, the tuna cake took its place of honor. Exhausted but satisfied, Leo admired his handiwork before curling up to sleep. The next morning, his humans discovered the festive scene. "Why didn't you tell me it's Leo's birthday?" his owner asked his wife, amused by the paw print in the calendar and the tuna cake. Realizing what Leo had done, the family gathered around the garden table. They lit a small candle on the tuna cake and sang to their beloved cat. Leo, basking in the love and attention, purred contentedly. It was the best birthday ever.